Hey everybody, Ben Dynas here from Aputure. We're at InfoComm. We're talking about Sidus Link Pro, the lighting control app that we make for our Aputure and Amaran lights. Today we are showing off some new things. First over here, we have Sidus Link Pro that came out for the Mac desktop. This allows you to have simple, easy, intuitive lighting control that comes normally for your iPad, is now on Mac desktop, and includes the Stream Deck button presses for your button shortcuts. Over here, we're showing off something that we call Action Panel. Action Panel allows you to simply and easily execute your lighting cues with just a touch of a button. What this means is when you're passing off the iPad to a client, they won't get into trouble by getting into the complicated layers of programming. They could just execute by pressing the button. In addition to our lighting control software, we also have our Aputure lighting fixtures. Up above us, we have the Nova 1x1, we have the Storm 80C. These are all the lights, some of the lights that we do at Aputure. Come check us out.